Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP Environmental Science. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes both multiple choice and free response questions. Next, review the 9 core units of the curriculum to grasp the breadth of topics. Finally, develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific time slots to each unit for comprehensive coverage and retention. To truly master the material, concentrate on understanding core ecological principles and major environmental issues. Don't just memorize, strive to understand the connections. Utilize your textbook, reliable online resources, and dedicated review guides. Creating flashcards for key vocabulary and scientific terms will significantly boost your recall and comprehension, making complex ideas easier to grasp. Practice is crucial for success. Work through past free response questions to understand how they are scored and what graders expect. Then, take full-length practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. After each practice session, thoroughly analyze your incorrect answers. This helps pinpoint specific areas where you need more study and focused review. As the exam approaches, ensure you get adequate rest the night before. On test day, eat a healthy breakfast and arrive early at the test center to avoid any last-minute stress. During the exam, read all questions carefully, especially the free response prompts, to ensure you fully understand what is being asked. Stay calm and confident in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.